How to hide chat on Messenger Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger Lite and say for example you wanted to hide this chat right here. All what you need to do is click and hold on it and a pop-up menu will appear from which you want to click on Archive Conversation. You will get a confirmation box that asks you, do you want to archive this chat? Click on OK to confirm. And by doing that, this chat will be hidden from the main messaging page and it will be moved to the archived chats page. Therefore, it will be hidden from here. It's very easy and simple process. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide conversation in the Messenger Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.